So let's talk about how to send more advanced and complicated notifications. Here I have a model named customer, have an email, user ID, username, and mobile number. Let's send a notification to a dynamic email or a phone number and with the message contain the username. First, let's add an action button. We'll name it Send Notification to User. And then let's create an automation related to this button. The action will be send notification. Let's create new. We'll name it dynamic notification. The message will be hello for now. We'll leave the type to be dynamic and the notification will be sent to dashboard and email. Now we'll choose who we want to send the notification to. You can choose the event item, a specific item on the system, or you can choose an SME. In our case, we will choose the event item. Select the field, the email. And what's that mean? We want to send the notification to the event item specifically to the email field. Now let's add a dynamic message. Let's add new parameter. From the model customer, we want to choose the username. Here on the left, you can see a new parameter has appeared, the username. So now in the message, if you typed at, you can see that you can add the username in the message. So the result is sending the notification to the event item to the filled email and then adding the username inside the message. Let's submit the message. And let's try that. So let's try in this customer. Here, if you click on the button, the event item will be this item. And the notification will be sent to the email value. And the username will be BK. Hello, BK. And also there is an email has been sent. Hello, BK. So now if you want to send this notification as a mobile SMS, we need to update the notification type to be an SMS. And then update the field inside the automation to be the mobile number. So now inside the event item, instead of sending the notification to the email, the notification will be sent to the mobile number. Now, if you want to send a mobile push notification, you need to use the user ID. To get the user ID, here from the users page, from the hidden column, you can get the user ID. Let's update the notification. And update the field to be the user ID. So here, the system will check the user ID and get the related device token from it and send the notification for it. As well, if you have a field reference to device token, you can use it as well to send the push notification. And you can always use the user ID to send all type of notifications because the system will always check the related email and phone number and send all type of notifications.